UFC lightweight champion Rafael Dos Anjos, plus skills and finishing instincts in all areas of mixed martial arts, debuted in the UFC in 2008, and 7 years later realized a dream when he defeated Anthony Pettis over 25 dominant minutes to become the undisputed UFC lightweight champion. So as this confident young fighter makes his walk to the octagon, you can be sure his inner monologue is, how do I get this opponent to the mat? Because once I get him down, I know I can keep him there, potentially for the duration of the round, if not the fight. This guy's top game is scary good, and it's not just about getting you down, it's about using his weight to keep you there. Great hips as well. One of the best lightweights in the world, Dustin Poirier, putting the status on the line yet again here tonight. Great frame for this lightweight division. It's amazing to think he had as much success at featherweight as he did. Long arms, good footwork, nice submissions as well. This is truly a 5-2 punch.
Yes, he's one of the best fighters in the lightweight division, and it shows every time he steps foot in the octagon. And a victims list that includes Eddie Alvarez, Justin Gaethje, Max Holloway. You know when you're looking at Dustin Poirier that he is one of the best fighters in the UFC's lightweight division and has the frame to compete up, and he's shown that before he was a featherweight. So a guy that may compete over 3 weight classes over his UFC career.
And we remind you, when he faced Max Holloway in UFC 236 for the interim lightweight title, Holloway came in with a 13-winning streak that Poirier promptly ended that fateful night in Atlanta, Georgia. And now our tail of the tape for this lightweight scrap. And now for the particulars, here's Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. It's time! 5 rounds in the UFC lightweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, presenting the former UFC lightweight champion, Rafael Dos Anjos. And now introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, Dustin the Diamond Poirier.
Herb Dean, third man in the octagon tonight. All right, so here's Dustin Poirier as we get ready to go with round 1. He says he's doing less sparring at this stage of his UFC career, and that figures to pay dividends here tonight. He is trying to stay more defensively responsible. Easier said than done when you have as many offensive gifts as Dustin Poirier brings to the table. Well, missed on that one. All right, so 1 minute into this fight and not much to dissect in terms of action. You may need to go use the restroom. Might be a good time.
Concession break, I'll be back with a hot dog.
That shot is blocked by Dustin Poirier.
Oh, nice right hand.
Oh, how good is that Poirier jab? He's got huge hands and certainly was able to find the home for his jab there.
I mean, the king of Lafayette has got it going tonight. Dustin Poirier fights in the southpaw, but he's a right-handed guy. That's why jab does so much damage to his opponent. Now he's going full mount.
Poirier's in half guard. Making all these shots count. Oh!
He did a great job of reversing the position, using the opening that his opponent gave him to shut him off and get back up. Oh, big punch lands. He's got to start kicking the body, kicking the head. He's just got to start kicking.
Let's go, let's try something different. Get down on the ground.
Oh, that body shot hurt him.
Beautiful. Keep that pressure up. 90 seconds to go in the round.
Let's go. Don't wait. You gotta hit him first.
Misses with the right hand.
Nice. Good strikes. Keep going.
Throwing that jab, no good. 1 minute to go in the round.
Vamos lá. Concentração. Let's go. Focus.
So just over 20 total strikes have landed for Dustin Poirier.
Continua. Vamos lá.
Well-timed overhand there by Rafael Dos Anjos.
He's got some hands, man.
Well, he misses with the left punch there. Final seconds here in round one. That horn sounds means we have reached the end of round one.
Aí, senta aí. Senta aí. Respira. Relaxa. Relax. Good. Take a seat and relax for me, okay? Look, we probably lost this round, okay? But that's because...
All right, now we check out some of the action from that previous round, DC. How about the display of striking?
Just high level. I mean, you would think that we're watching a K1 level kickboxing match opposed to being in the UFC. Both displayed great technical skills, unbelievable striking.
All right, here we go. Round two. Dustin the Diamond Poirier versus Rafael Dos Anjos. All right, so as this next round gets underway, hopefully the good action we saw in the last round will continue. Both fighters certainly had their ups and downs, both got the offense going, but now we'll see if one fighter or the other can really take control of what has been a very close fight thus far. And there he goes, lands another combination. His cardio is so good that it allows him to put forth this type of output and pace.
When his opponent is done at two, he is stringing together 4, 5, 6 more different strikes. You don't do that without having fantastic cardio.
Dos Anjos' nose is bleeding now. Yes, looks as though he got cut by one of those offerings from his opponent. Throwing that jab now again, the fighter evades.
Great job blocking that one.
Poirier gets tattooed with that hook. Beautifully timed and placed. Well, he's certainly keeping busy, D.
This might be the biggest shot of this entire fight. He landed a massive hook to put his opponent on wobbly legs.
All right, so an opportunity goes by the boards. He had him stunned, nearly finished, and now his opponent has recovered.
His opponent's recovered. Now he's got to go deal with everything. He should have got the fight finished at that time.
Beautiful strike there as he continues to attack that cut. Cut man's going to have some work to do if we get to the stool between rounds.
But that's why we got the best in the business. We got the best cut man in the business, and they are going to need him right now because this cut is getting worse, and it's only going to continue to get worse because he has got a killer in front of him.
Well,
landed that massive shot. Now he needs to try to find the next shot, the follow-up shot that will finish the fight. Big right hand. Oh, another one.
oh, this is getting kind of hard to watch, right? He targets the cut and lands a strike right on it. Right into side control. Landing strikes nicely here from top position. We'll see if he postures up and can get some of his ground strikes going here.
Beautiful submission attempt here.
That Darce is tight.
Oh, now he's in trouble.
Oh, I thought he was going to go out. Instead, he escapes and... All right, back to the stools we go, and that is a really severe cut, so we will monitor him between rounds as they furiously get the cut man in there. All right, let us now get you some replays of all the damage done in that previous round, including the strike that opened up the cut.
Yeah, some nasty strikes landed over the course of that round, and it opened up a nasty cut. He has got to find a way to change some things defensively, or that cut is just going to get worse and worse. And the worse it gets, the more he runs the risk of this fight getting stopped.
Dos Anjos is really bleeding heavily now. That cut is only getting worse by the minute. I'm not sure his opponent knows where he is.
No, he is on Beach Street right now. He's seeing Tweety Bird over the top of his head.
There it is! Well, make no mistake about it, he is getting 2 paychecks tonight as he gets the big TKO victory. Wow.
That's unbelievable. It was crazy to watch his finishing instincts on display as he got that massive victory. It was amazing, John. It was amazing.
The official decision is in. Here is the veteran voice, Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Herb Deans called a stop to this contest at 35 seconds of round number 3. Declaring the winner by TKO, Dustin the Diamond Poirier.
All right, so another highlight for the reel for Dustin Poirier, your winner tonight in a very competitive matchup, I might add, by TKO.
It was competitive until it wasn't. You know, the guy is one of those guys that can hurt you at any moment.